Want to learn how to use Mailchimp for marketing to international audiences? Stick around, because I'm going to show you how to leverage Mailchimp's powerful features to reach customers across the globe. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your email marketing to the next level and connect with people from different countries, all with the help of Mailchimp. Plus, if you stick around until the end, I'll tell you how you can get started with Mailchimp for free, with some exclusive bonuses. First things first, Mailchimp is an incredibly versatile tool that allows you to create and send professional-looking email campaigns. And one of its best features is its ability to scale for international audiences. Whether you're targeting customers in Europe, Asia, or beyond, Mailchimp has built-in tools to make your email marketing effective no matter where your audience is located. Next thing, one of the most important things you need to do when marketing internationally is segment your audience. With Mailchimp, you can create different lists based on location, language, and preferences. By doing this, you ensure that the content you're sending is relevant and personalized, which is key for engaging international customers. For instance, you wouldn't want to send a French promotional email to your Spanish subscribers. By properly segmenting your audience, you avoid this mistake. The third thing to consider is localizing your content. When you're marketing internationally, it's not just about translating your emails. You need to localize them. That means taking into account cultural differences, local holidays, and language nuances. Mailchimp makes it easy to create different versions of your email campaigns for different regions. You can have emails in Spanish, French, or any other language, all within the same account. Next, let's talk about time zones. If you're marketing globally, you need to consider when your audience is most likely to engage with your emails. Sending an email at 9 a.m. in New York might not be the best time for someone in Tokyo. Luckily, Mailchimp has an option to send your campaigns at the best local times for your subscribers. This feature helps you maximize engagement by ensuring your emails hit inboxes when your audience is most likely to open them. The fifth thing you need to keep in mind is analytics. Mailchimp offers powerful reporting tools that allow you to track how well your campaigns are doing across different countries. You can see open rates, click rates, and even how your audience is interacting with your emails based on their location. This helps you make data-driven decisions and tweak your campaigns for better results. Lastly, let's talk about compliance with international laws. Different countries have different rules when it comes to email marketing, and Mailchimp helps you stay compliant with regulations like the GDPR in Europe and CAN-SPAM in the US. With built-in tools for managing opt-ins and data protection, Mailchimp ensures you're not breaking any laws when marketing internationally. Now, you've learned some of the best strategies for using Mailchimp to market to international audiences. But I have one more thing to mention. Mailchimp is offering an exclusive extended free trial, and you can sign up through the first link in the description below. You get full access to the platform with all the features you need to scale your marketing globally for free. Remember, if you're ready to expand your email marketing to an international audience, Mailchimp is your best option. So make sure to hit the link below, grab your free trial, and start growing your global audience today.